Welcome to the top best. The best Alcantara fabric is probably one of the most luxurious and versatile materials available today, often found gracing the interiors of high-end cars and designer fashion pieces, offering a unique combination of softness, durability, and a premium aesthetic that's hard to replicate, making it a top choice for those seeking both comfort and style in their products. Number 5. Azobur Sofa Fabric Repair Patch, Gray. Introducing a revolutionary way to refresh your furniture. This product is designed to seamlessly repair minor damages, giving your sofa a brand new appearance. Crafted from upgraded, silky soft microfiber, it features a scratch-resistant surface and a strong adhesive backing. Enjoy a luxurious feel without the worry of glue residue. No cutting needed. Simply peel and stick these patches directly onto the damaged area. It's a fast and simple solution for a pristine look. Perfect for mending holes, scratches, tears, or stains on various materials like suede, leather, and vinyl. It's ideal for sofas, car seats, bags, and even jackets. Each package includes 6 self-adhesive patches, measuring 4.3 by 5.5 inches. You'll have plenty to restore multiple areas or items. Trust Azobur for professional repair solutions. We are dedicated to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service for all your repair needs. What we like. This product offers a luxurious look and a quick fix for sofa damage. Its self-adhesive nature makes application a breeze, ensuring no residue is left behind. If you're looking for an easy and elegant way to repair minor tears or scratches on your furniture, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The Alcantara fabric is incredibly soft and luxurious to the touch, providing a premium feel to any application. Its durability is impressive, resisting wear and tear even with frequent use, making it a long-lasting investment. The fabric's unique texture offers excellent grip, which is particularly beneficial for steering wheels and other high-contact surfaces. Number 4. Auto Suede Headliner Fabric with Foam Backing. Experience the ultimate in comfort with our premium suede headliner. Its soft, smooth, and thick surface adds a touch of luxury to any vehicle interior. This material is built to last, resisting abrasion and deformation. It's incredibly easy to cut and install, allowing for a perfect fit every time. Transform your car, truck, or boat with this high-quality interior fabric. It brings visual beauty and a luxurious feel, making every journey more enjoyable. Ideal for headliner repairs, door panels, seats, and even DIY craft projects. Its versatility makes it perfect for automotive, marine, and home upholstery needs. We're committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to us for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This material provides a soft, highly elastic foam backing for a comfortable and luxurious car interior. It's abrasion resistant and easy to cut, making it ideal for headliner repairs or custom upholstery projects. If you want to refresh your car's interior with a premium feel and a professional finish, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Alcantara fabric has a soft, velvety texture that feels luxurious to the touch. It's known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas. The fabric is also breathable and comfortable, even in warm weather. Number 3. Auto Suede Headlining Fabric. Experience the ultimate comfort with our automotive headliner fabric. Its soft, smooth, and thick surface, backed by highly elastic foam, adds a touch of luxury and beauty to your car's interior. This material is built to last, resisting abrasion and deformation. It's incredibly easy to cut to your exact needs, making installation a breeze. Elevate your driving experience with this high-quality interior fabric. It provides a visually stunning upgrade, ensuring a more comfortable journey for everyone. Perfect for repairing or replacing your car's headliner, sunroof panels, and door panels. It's also ideal for seats, boat interiors, and various DIY craft projects. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions, please reach out, and we'll ensure you receive a solution tailored to your needs. What we like. This offers a soft, highly elastic foam backing, giving your car's interior a touch of luxury and comfort. It's abrasion resistant and easy to cut, perfect for DIY enthusiasts looking to replace or repair headliners and other interior panels. If you desire a high-quality, visually appealing material for your automotive or craft projects, this is a great option. What people say. The Alcantara fabric has a unique texture that feels soft and luxurious to the touch. It's known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear, making it a long-lasting option. The material is breathable, which helps in maintaining a comfortable temperature, especially in upholstery. Number 2. VViViD XPO Series Wood Grain Vinyl Wrap. Discover the revolutionary new XPO series from VViViD. Experience a hyper-realistic felt suede finish that transforms any surface. Installation is a breeze, even for beginners. With just a heat gun and squeegee, you can easily apply it to any non-porous surface. It conforms to contours and bends with ease, ensuring a smooth finish. Say goodbye to bubbles and creases forever. Featuring an advanced air release adhesive, it's liftable, slidable, and repositionable. It sticks with pressure and removes cleanly. This extremely durable surface resists scratches and grime, maintaining its beauty for 5 to 7 years indoors without fading or cracking. It's marine safe and perfect for interior applications on tables, desks, cabinets, and more. Unleash your creativity with this versatile vinyl. What we like. This product delivers a hyper-realistic felt suede finish with an easy-to-use, repositionable adhesive. It conforms to contours without bubbles and is extremely durable for indoor use. If you're looking for a versatile vinyl wrap for architectural applications or interior surfaces that offers a premium look and simple application, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Alcantara fabric has a unique texture that feels soft and luxurious to the touch. It's known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear, making it a long-lasting choice. The material is breathable and comfortable, even in warmer conditions. Number 1. Super Geotextile 4/6/8 ounces non-woven fabric. Introducing Super Geotextile, a medium-duty, non-woven fabric designed for strength and durability. It's built to withstand tough conditions and last for many years. Save time and money with our easy-to-install fabric. We offer various sizes, allowing you to get the exact dimensions needed, minimizing waste and effort. Our product is made to last, offering superior strength and dimensional stability. It's resistant to UV rays and rot, ensuring longevity in harsh environments. This fabric is incredibly versatile, perfect for a wide range of projects. Use it for landscaping, retaining walls, French drains, underlayment, erosion control, and more. Super Geotextile is committed to providing the highest quality products. You can rely on its performance for all your construction and landscaping needs. Whether you're working on a garden, a pond, or a major construction site, this fabric is an excellent choice. It serves as a reliable filter for riprap and provides essential support. What we like. This offers high-strength, UV and rot-resistant fabric designed for durability in tough conditions. It's easy to install and suitable for a wide range of projects from landscaping to construction. If you need a reliable and long-lasting geotextile for drainage, erosion control, or underlayment, this is a superior quality choice. What people say. The Alcantara fabric has a unique texture that feels soft and luxurious to the touch. It is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear, making it a long-lasting material. The fabric is also breathable, which helps in regulating temperature and providing comfort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.